And away we go. What's going on, everybody? Indiana Backroads. Been gone for a while, but it's beautiful outside. We're on the bike, and we are trying out a brand new, well, brand new to me, GoPro and a brand new microphone. And you guys get to come with me for it. So yeah, I actually bought this camera. I found a really good deal online probably, I don't know, about 2 months ago, maybe 3 months ago. Probably closer to 3. Yeah, it's a Hero 3 Black Plus, Hero 3 Plus Black, however you want to say that. I'm not quite up on my GoPro lingo. But yeah, I had another microphone, but I wanted to try something else because that one was still giving me fits trying to cut out wind noise. So, you know, I watch a lot of moto vlogging, and I know there's a lot of people out there, you know, everybody watches Shade Tree Surgeon. So I just kind of listened to a couple of his videos, and he actually did 2 of them, I think, where he went through and showed you his setup. And so I actually ended up finding a link to the microphones he uses, and he wasn't lying. They are dirt cheap. I think it was like $3 or $4.99. The only downside to that was I ordered it about 2 weeks before the COVID explosion. So I actually just got my microphone and the adapter about 2 weeks ago in the mail, maybe 3 weeks or so. It's been kind of a blur. But yeah, I'm kind of messed around with it a little bit at the house to see how it was going to work, and video quality was cool. So this is really the first test with the microphone. I know I ran it a time or two on my old camera, but for whatever reason it was just not having it. So I wanted to wait until I made sure I had everything set up on this one. We can give it a good shot and a good go at it and see how we come out. I know there's a whole host of crazy things going on right now everywhere, but I think today we're just going to talk about whatever comes into my head along the way, and we're going to enjoy ourselves, because I don't think there's enough of that going on. I know there's a lot of reasons to, I don't know, I guess I can't really say there's not a lot of reasons to enjoy, because life's pretty awesome. But you know what I mean. Not enough people enjoying themselves, I guess. And we'll just leave it at that. Yeah, it's been a little while since I've put a video out. I actually have 2 or 3 videos at home that I started editing. I went out just out on a Sunday afternoon, took a really good long ride, and you know, I took the cameras along with me, and this was with my old setup, and I started working on them, and the audio, it was really windy out that day on top of me riding, and that microphone picking up too much wind noise. So I don't know, I just kind of got fed up, I guess, and figured I'd wait until all this stuff showed up and we can try to up the quality a little bit. Yeah, we finally got some really good weather here. Yeah, there for a while we'd get like one good day, but it was really either really foggy in the morning or we'd still have a little bit of rain. And I don't know, I'm not really into being soaking wet when I get to work in the morning. So yeah, I ended up driving for a good portion of like the last 6 weeks. Sheep. Yeah, I've lost my thoughts now. Oh yeah, so I've been driving to work quite a bit just because we had a bunch of rain. You know, it would rain in the morning or it'd be really foggy, and the way I come into work, it's really curvy roads coming in, and yeah, that one, it's just not real good in the rain. So I had to suck it up and drive the car. And then once we did get some decent weather, I was still waiting on pieces for my camera to come in. But yeah, I couldn't pass it up. You know, I haven't tried any GoPros out since I started doing this almost a year ago, which is hard to believe. Maybe a year in September. But yeah, so far all my cameras I've had were picture, which yeah, I mean, for what they are, and it's kind of surprising the quality you can get out of them. But I always wanted to try a GoPro, but I could not bring myself to spend $300 or $400 on whatever the latest greatest one was. So I'd watched a bunch of reviews, and a lot of people who've been doing this a whole lot longer than me. A lot of them recommended either... Come on, guy. Yeah, a lot of them said if he could find one of these old Hero 3 Plus Black or whatever, if you could find one to snatch it up. So I ended up finding this one on a, I don't remember what website it was. Basically, it's kind of like an online thrift shop. You can buy and sell clothes, everything, electronics. But yeah, a lady in Texas had this one on there. So I got my GoPro, I got 2 batteries with it, and the charger for $58. So I was like, yeah, I can't really say no to that. Because most of these were still going for like 90 to 125, depending on what they came with. But since pretty much all the cameras use interchangeable mounting and everything, I've bought a whole bunch of cameras along the way, and every one of them that I've got came with a full set of arms and clips and everything else. So I think I've got about 5 or 6 sets of those laying around. Yeah, there we go. See what time it is. But yeah, so I didn't need any of that stuff, so I was trying to find one where it was just the GoPro listed and was hoping for batteries. So yeah, I pretty well lucked out there. But this is the maiden voyage with the GoPro. Yeah, right now I think I'm running at 1080/60, and then I've got it set for the Super View. So we'll see how that comes out, and we can... I don't have the Pro Tune on. I haven't really got around to messing with all that stuff yet. I just know that I like to shoot and edit with 1080/60. So that's what I went for, and it was familiar. What is going on? I guess we'll go this way. stay there. Uh-huh. Hopefully there's going to be a whole lot more videos coming up, and a lot more frequently. We are just about back to the house now, so go in, start checking some footage, see how the audio turned out, and I will see you guys next time.